The 13th edition of the Indian Premier League is scheduled to start on September 19th in Dubai. The IPL will certainly not restore the millions of jobs or heal the kins of tens of thousands who are dead in the COVID-19. But the IPL, like all sports, has the innate ability to lift the prevailing mood music. In the early days of the pandemic, Liverpool manager Jurgen described football as the most important of the least important things. And in the Indian context, cricket is a bit like that. The national pastime of playing cricket is only surpassed by bigger national pastime of watching it. According to BARC, 462 million people watched the 2019 edition of the Indian Premier League. And if these 462 people decided to form a separate country, they would be the third biggest in terms of population. So one can just imagine the vast number of viewers the IPL has. According to author Balasubramanian, who also co-wrote If Cricket is a Religion, Sachin is God, argues that most fans are in a win-win situation because of the nature of the franchisee cricket. The IPL also has a viewing experience of an international game without the bitter aftertaste of defeat. One don't really weep over whether Dhoni's CSK wins or Kohli's RCB wins. Thus, it's a pleasant viewing experience where the outcome has lower stakes. Star Sports, the host broadcaster, believes that the 2020 edition of the Indian Premier League could be the most watched IPL in its 13 years history. After sports returned to Europe in the month of May, it acted as a drug in that it helped people convalesce. In some places that were badly hit by the virus, like the Bergamo in Italy, masses looked up to Atlanta, the local side, relieved through them. The Series A side reached the quarter-finals of the Champions League for the first time ever, and the city, one of the first epicenters of the COVID-19 pandemic, derived hope and joy from their team. That sort of sentiment has played out before in India as well. Weeks after 26-11 reduced Mumbai and by extension India to its knees, Tendulkar and co engineered one of the greatest fourth innings chase in a test against England in Chennai. After the match, Sachin Tendulkar dedicated the win to the victims of the terror attack. After we were pulled out from the existing IPL deal for the current season, there was apprehension whether the IPL's bottom line would take a hit. Star Sports, the host broadcaster, has revealed that the number of advertisers and the amount of ad spend is higher than usual. Earlier, most of the brands had allotted spends for IPL plus Asia Cup plus T20 Cup, and now with IPL being the only cricket property for 2020 festive season, it has become the obvious choice for brands to make. Abu Dhabi, Dubai and Sharjah will play host to the IPL for the current season, which begins on September 19 and ends on November 10th. Rupees 5,000 crores is what IPL ecosystem, which involves the BCCI, franchisees and broadcasters. Rupees 3,200 crores is what Star pays to BCCI per year as part of the broadcast deal. BCCI had lost 440 crores when Vivo had pulled out its title sponsorship deal. Later, Dream11, which came as a replacement, is only paying half of it. As part of the biosecure bubble, BCCI is paying Rs 10 crores to a UK-based healthcare for taking the COVID-19 test during the IPL. Several sports experts believe that the IPL can actually be a breather and help people relax at these difficult times.